What's going on, guys? My name is Raoul, ATX Realty 737, and today I want to go over the importance of a pre-approval. You guys may recall my last video of pre-approval versus pre-qualification, and I showed which one is a better offer when you submit an offer on a home. And I didn't go into detail with either one of them, and I kind of want to just hint on a little bit more of the pre-approval side. All right, let's do a scenario. Say if you have a pre-qualification letter and you're ready to start searching for homes. Once you find that home of your dreams, it's time to put in an offer. One of the forms used to put in an offer is the third-party finance addendum. And paragraph B, section 1, goes over the buyer approval process, which basically says that you have a certain amount of days to be pre-approved. If you don't be approved within those certain days, that contract is subject to terminate. You will get your earnest money back, but more than likely, that home is going to be going to the second person who put in an offer. So one of the helpful things that you can do to avoid that situation is stay on your lender. During the pre-qualification phase, it's just a letter. Like I said, it's not going to have a lot of information that's needed to get that pre-qualification. But what you want to do is ask your lender, what will you need to get pre-approved? Start gathering those documents to make sure that as soon as you never know, as soon as that offer is put on that house and that seller says they agree, they accept your offer, that's when that time starts to tick on this days that's checked on paragraph B, section 1 on this third-party finance addendum. So with that being said, hope this information helps. And it's all about educating, making this home buying process go as smooth as possible. Thanks.